Today we're going to talk about why the most expensive Brazilian wax is actually worth it. And no, it's not what you think. As an owner of multiple successful salons, I have extensive knowledge and experience with both hard and soft wax. And today, I want to share with you the reasons why the best spas only use hard wax for their Brazilian wax services. The first reason is because they understand that luxury is about exclusivity. And by using hard wax, which is less painful, they can position themselves as an elite spa that only the most discerning and affluent clients can afford. While other spas may offer cheaper soft wax services, these high-end establishments know that their clientele is willing to pay more for a premium experience that is less painful and more effective. The second reason is because hard wax is actually superior to soft wax. It's harder, so it lasts longer. It's more hygienic since it doesn't touch the skin, and it's also better at removing even the finest and shortest of hairs. This means that the results from a hard wax treatment are longer lasting and more effective than those from a traditional wax. And this is something that the wealthy clients who are used to the best are sure to appreciate. The third reason is because the best spas in the industry understand that a premium experience is a status symbol, and by offering Brazilian waxing services with hard wax, they can attract clients who want to be associated with the upper echelons of society. These clients see the price tag as an indicator of quality and exclusivity and are happy to pay for it. They understand that by getting the most expensive Brazilian wax, they are not only getting the best possible service, but they are also buying into a lifestyle that is associated with luxury and sophistication. Another reason why luxury spas only use hard wax for their Brazilian waxing services is because they understand that advanced techniques are a must, and this means staying ahead of the curve when it comes to pain reduction. One way they do this is by preheating the area with a warm towel or by using numbing creams or gels specifically designed for the Brazilian bikini area. This ensures that the waxing process is as comfortable as possible for their high-end clients, which is essential for maintaining their reputation as a provider of top-notch luxury services. After all, word of mouth is everything in the world of luxury. And if one of their affluent clients has a bad experience, it could ruin their business. The fifth reason is because of personalization. Affluent clients want to feel special and catered to, and the best spas understand this. That's why they go above and beyond to make their waxing experience truly personalized. This may include things like offering a private room with comfortable seating and a flat-screen TV, providing organic and vegan options for those who prefer it, or even offering add-ons like a private room with comfortable seating and a flat-screen TV. By going the extra mile to personalize the waxing experience, these high-end establishments show their clients that they are truly valued and that they are willing to go above and beyond to make sure that they have a great experience. This level of personalization is simply not something that can be found at a cheap wax bar, which is why the most expensive Brazilian wax is well worth it for the right client. Lastly, spas that cater to affluent clients are always looking towards the future and are constantly innovating and trying out new techniques and products. This means that their clients are always getting the best and most up-to-date treatments available. For example, some spas are now offering Brazilian waxing services with hard wax that is infused with natural ingredients like aloe vera or tea tree oil, which can soothe and nourish the skin while also providing antibacterial properties. Others are using innovative techniques like sugaring, which is an ancient form of hair removal that uses a sugar paste to remove unwanted hair. By staying ahead of the curve and offering cutting-edge treatments, these luxury spas ensure that their clients always have a reason to return and that they continue to be seen as the providers of the best and most exclusive services available. In conclusion, the most expensive Brazilian wax is not just a luxury, it's an investment in quality, exclusivity, and innovation. If you're someone who values the finer things in life and demands the best, then investing in a luxury Brazilian wax may be just what you've been looking for.